Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Not a whole lot of activity left across the state with our weak cold front that came through yesterday into portions of central and eastern Montana. A couple of thunderstorms earlier this morning just near the Miles City area. This will continue to slide off to the south throughout the morning hours, and by this afternoon, mostly dry conditions for about 99% of the state. The only little rain shower that may pop is down near the Idaho border, maybe near Oneida Pass later tonight around 8 or 9 o'clock. But heading into tomorrow, most of the day will be dry as well, mostly sunny, just a couple of cumulus clouds out into the mountains of western Montana. And then by about 2 o'clock, we'll start to see some storms form, a little bit of moisture ahead of a cold front here. That cold front's not really going to come through until later on Thursday. This will all be ahead of the cold front. We will be warm as well, temperatures in the 80s for a lot of us. Thunderstorms could be approaching Helena by about 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, a little bit later in Great Falls in the late afternoon hours, maybe 6 or 7 o'clock. A few of these storms could produce some gusty wind and some small hail, but no widespread severe threat tomorrow. We will see those storms weaken around the midnight hours as they head just around the Great Falls, Cut Bank area. Maybe not even reaching Havre by that point. A lot of the energy will subside. Not a whole lot of precipitation with this one, but as we go into next week, that's where things really start to change up here. Mountain snow and some pretty heavy rain for lower elevations. But at least for today, not a whole lot of rain in sight, 70s and 80s for our highs. The next 7 days, well, I told you about temperatures going to get much cooler after record highs on Saturday. How about the 50s and the 60s for highs heading into the beginning of next week? Meteorological summer begins on Sunday, but it's really not going to feel like summer for most of the week next week.